Welcome to the live tour of TIMTOS TMTS 2022, the largest in Taiwan and the very first mega machine tool show in the world this year. I'm your guide, Raymond, and next we're going to enter the world of precision machining.
My name is Tony Lu. I would like to introduce our MP series. This is our smaller size machine, MP400L. This is making by the linear motor. The 400 is mean SY turbo is 400, 300, and the UV turbo is 80 by 80. The Z higher is about 220. So this one, we have upgraded our CNC controller unit. We use the Intel CPU. We
there
upgrade
you can see the monitor there.
Yeah, we upgrade the CPU for Intel J1900, 1.99 gigahertz. This is improved our post processor the 6 times. And also, this machine, we are using new driver system. We use the Excetek, the new servo system. The new servo system can improve our cycle time. The servo cycle time
more
from
efficient.
Before the 4 milliseconds, we improved to the 1 millisecond. And this machine, we show the WSS cutting under the water.
Yeah,
and
what's happening under
the
water
we have the auto wire trading under the water. The underwater, and they have automatic cutting the wire.
Wow.
And the simulation, and the auto wire trading. So you can see. And also the WSS, mostly we can cut in the lights, this kind of the sample.
That's what you can do.
You can this direction for cutting. And we use our DPM function. You can use the up and lower the floating cutting.
Wow.
The more performance, the more high speed and the accuracy also. And this machine, and also we have provided. This is a smaller gear. And we have a corner control function to make sure of this cutting is more accuracy on the corner. So this is our smaller machine.
All right.
And next,
we have going one more here.
For our middle size machine, this is MP600P.
That's a smaller one, and
this is a middle size
machine.
And this machine we prefer. We use the temperature, the control system. We use the accuracy of the chiller to make sure that all the machine body with the same temperature, and to improve the cutting accuracy. And also this machine, we are using the CPU of the MP
the same
series.
CPU.
So this we have upgrade, so the most faster and Excetek, the processor is more accuracy and more faster. And this one, we have include of the touch probe. And the touch probe is online measuring system. When you after cutting the part, and you can measure your part accuracy, and also you can use the touch probe to have a measure your what piece of the direction and the plan of the angle you can adjustment. And most of the EV car right now we application you need to use the electronic motor, and this show that this is the part is electronic the motor the inside the coil of the motor. So you can see this is very accuracy. This is accuracy part. This is punch, and then this is. You can make it on the whole.
Very sophisticated, everybody.
Very precise. You can see this one is very accuracy. So this is making the electronic of the EV car for the motor. This is most popular right now. We are application.
This is the most popular.
And also this is more
right
accuracy. You require the accuracy.
Very accurate, very precise. Very impressive. Everybody.
Next we will introduce another system by the Jimmy.
So before we move on to the next product, I just saw these screens in the back. So I'm just wondering, Jimmy, could you just give us a very brief introduction?
So in the monitor we have ELearning and E-Link. So the ELearning is the online education system. So customer can easily to learn the operation through the e-learning, especially this moment, the engineer cannot go abroad. So customer even can, through the e-learning, to learn the machine himself. And the next is the E-Link. The E-Link is the remote monitor system. So it can connect all other machines. So customer can monitor his factory, all the machines over the world, anywhere, through computer or the mobile phone, like this.
Introduce our automation system. So this is this year we development for the automation system. It's ATX80.
ATX80. Okay.
Tool magazine system. So they can load 80 electro or workpiece and the other for the 12 more heavy workpiece.
Wow,
Now
that's
this,
a lot.
yeah. So this unit we are joined with a 5-axis small hole driller EDM machine and our drop tank style for
Yes.
the die sinker EDM machine. So you can look there.
Yeah, you can see the monitor there.
This from the CAD-CAM to build for the GM code,
Okay.
and then you go to our system we call CPS Center. So they can from this system to compile the the programming and workpiece to this machine and this machine.
So it's all connected.
Yeah, yeah. Can
Like
we-
all in one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is 5-axis, the EDM drill.
Yes.
What kind of parts you produce? So I can introduce.
Yeah, you're going to share with us some samples?
Yeah.
Sure.
For example, it is for aerospace, some turbine.
For
In-
aerospace.
Yeah, this turbine is there have a small hole.
Yeah,
This
here.
one, and this one by your eye also very difficult.
Yeah,
to-
really?
Yeah,
Yeah, you almost couldn't see it in naked eyes.
yeah. So you use the EDM driller with the 5-axis, can be
With this one,
production
okay.
this kind
Wow.
of parts. Okay, and for this machine,
Here?
it's our die sinker EDM machine, a very high accuracy and a high function. Let me introduce.
Okay.
This is one of the other turbine in engine. So some of this kind of parts
Okay.
use the EDM job and use 5-axis for the mini machine. The
Okay.
tooling cannot go inside.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can see this corner is very small.
Mm-hmm.
So it's difficult by the mini machine. So we necessarily use die sinker EDM to
Okay,
do it.
To do that.
Okay. So we can see when we design
That one there.
for
Okay,
this
on the
turbine,
monitor.
and can be very quickly to create for this electro and by machining. And after measuring, we loading going to this ATX80, the
Okay.
system. And then it's, we can automation to change the job. So I think that we can say we are ready for Industry 4, for automation, for intelligent machine, and then it's going every machine IoT.
Okay.